Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Audrey Kaur. So today I'm going to share with you this beautiful purple eye makeup look that you can easily carry on as any wedding functions, or you can also try this look as for any Indian traditional functions. This is very versatile makeup look. Anybody can create that. This is very easy makeup look. So if you like this video, do subscribe to my channel and share this video with your friends and family. So let's get started with this video. So firstly, I'm using this moisturizer for moisturizing my face. Moisturizer actually helps to make your base very smooth. If you don't apply moisturizer, it will make your base very cakey. So it is a very important step before doing your makeup. So after that, I am using a silicone based primer. It will actually helps to blur out our all pores and makes our base very smooth and very flawless. So I am applying this on my T-zone and I am spreading this all over my face as well as my eyelid, and I am also applying this on my neck area. So here I am using lip balm for moisturizing my lip. Later I will be using a liquid lipstick, that's why. So I am correcting my face with this orange corrector because I have a lot of pigmentation on my face. Orange corrector actually helps to neutralize our pigmentation. I am blending this orange corrector with my finger. If you have pigmentation on your face, you have to use orange corrector, because if you don't use that, your base will look very gray. So after that, I am using a Lakme Rose powder for setting my orange corrector. This is a very important step. If you don't setting your orange corrector, it will be mixed up with your foundation and that will look very bad. Here I am filling my eyebrow with this brown gel liner. Never use black gel liner or black eyebrow pencil for filling your eyebrows, because it will look very weird and very bad. So I am filling on my spurs area little bit, and I am also blending with this brush. So here I am using a concealer. It's a light color concealer. It will actually brighten up your eyes and it will makes your eyes very poppy, and when you are applying colorful eyeshadow, it will look very pigmented and very nice on that. And I am also correcting my eyebrows. After that, I am blending this concealer with a sponge. After blending all my concealer, I am setting this with a loose powder. It's a very important step. So here I am starting with my eye makeup. So firstly, I am taking a purplish pink color from this Nikake eyeshadow palette in the shade Sugar Plum. This is a very beautiful palette, guys. If you don't have any purple eyeshadow palette, please go for it. It is nicely pigmented. It also affordable. So I am blending this color on my crease and also spreading this all over my crease line. So blending is very important step for your eye makeup. It will makes your eye makeup very nice. So after that, I am taking little bit of darker purplish pink color and I am just placing it on my outer corner, and I'm just blending and dragging towards my eyelid, and I'm just blending it all my crease line and all my eyelid, and I will be doing same process on other eyes. So here I am using a darker violet purple color kind of shade, and I'm just placing it only my outer corner, and I'm just blending it here. For intensify my outer corner, I'm applying this darker shade. I'm also doing the same process on my other eyes. So I'm taking a little bit of this pink color for intensify my inner corner and also my crease line. So after that I'm taking this glittery purple shade from this palette, but it doesn't give any pigmentation with brush, so I just apply this with my finger and it will give a lot pigmentation. And I'm just apply this on my inner half and just blending with my finger. So after that I'm taking this purple shade again and I'm just intensifying my inner half and just blending this on my crease line. So here I am applying my eyeliner and I am doing a winged eyeliner. So here I am start with my face makeup and I am mixing two foundation shades from Maybelline Fit Me and applying this on my face. By the way guys, in camera it looks a little bit white on my face, but in reality it is my perfect shade for my face. After that, with the help of a flat kabuki brush, I'm just spreading and patting all over my face and apply this foundation on my face. So here firstly I'm using a kabuki brush because brush doesn't soak up any product. If I use any damp sponge, it will soak all the products that I didn't like. I love Beauty Blender because it gives a very smooth finish, but before that I just love to blending all my foundation with this kabuki brush. Then I just blend my foundation with Beauty Blender, and I am also apply my foundation on my hairline. And I'm just blending my foundation on my neck, and leftover product I apply my ears. After that I'm just blend all my foundation with a damp beauty sponge. After that I'm taking a little bit of light color concealer and I'm just highlight and conceal my usual areas like under eyes, around the mouth, bridge of the nose, cheeks, chin bow, and I'm just also applying this on my forehead little bit and also below the chin, that it will helps to enhance the contour. And I'm just blending this concealer with the help of damp beauty sponge. After that I'm setting my concealer with the help of a loose powder. It is very important step. If you don't do that, your concealer will tends to get crease. So after that I am doing my contour with the help of Sugar Mini Bronzer. This step actually helps to enhance our features, and I'm making my face like this and just contouring my face. And I'm also a little bit contouring my nose and as well as more my forehead area. After that I'm using a blush. It's a baby pink color blush, and I'm just applying it on my cheeks as well as my nose area little bit. Here I take a liquid highlighter from Wet n Wild, and I take little bit on my hand, and I'm just blending this on my face with the help of finger and as well as with the Damn Beauty blender. I also apply this on my chin, little bit on my nose, little bit on my forehead. Also apply little bit of highlighter on my eyebrow area. Then I take a pencil brush and I'm taking a purple color and just blending it on my lower lash line. After that I'm taking this dark color and just blending it on my outer lash line area. So here I'm taking this glitter eyeshadow from this palette and I'm just applying on my inner corner. So here I am applying kajal on my waterline. So here I take Lakme Iconic Mascara and I'm just removing all the excess product and I'm just using on my eyelashes, and I am applying a nice coat of mascara on my eyelashes. So finally I am applying lipsticks on my lips. This is a dark purple kind of shade. After that I am applying a setting spray for setting everything.